This is the Studio AI Robotics channel. Over the past year, our team has gone through around the world, working with partners to host numerous hackathons. We received strong support from so many developers, as well as recognition from NVIDIA and Hacking Face. We carefully built hardware kits, beginner tutorials, and advanced development guides. All of it is fully open source and shared for free. Many students and engineers from research labs told us that existing servo-based robotic arms suffer from vibration and low precision, making them unsuitable for academic research and paper-level experiments. They really need a robotic arm that is high precision, low cost, and fully open source, one that supports early technical exploration and potential industrial applications. These requests stayed with us for an entire year, and we kept thinking about them constantly. To respond to all the needs from this community, our first idea was not to build everything from scratch. Instead, we look for mature open source projects to collaborate with, or work with manufacturers on customer solutions. During that time, we reviewed almost every open source robotic arm project we could find worldwide. Well, as you might have guessed, the results were disappointing. Either the price were outrageously high and completely unaffordable for individual developers, or negotiations failed at the point of fully open source requirements. But for developers like us, the low-cost fully open source, simple assembly, and easy for long-term maintenance, along with free and well-documented tutorials, that is what developers really need. So after all the setbacks, only one thing became clear. We'll just do it ourselves. The first step of in-house hardware development was identifying the highly cost-effective drawing motors. That's the absolute core of a robotic arm and also the most expensive part. We evaluated and tested motors from many manufacturers. Then, after a comprehensive evaluation, we finally selected Damio Technology and RobStride Dynamics. Both of them provide us with tremendous support. We really appreciate that. Once the motor challenge was solved, we moved on to structural design. Our initial version was a fully 3D printed solution. However, testing parts revealed several issues. The printing quality varied, and parts would crack or suffer from material fatigue over time, which led to increasing the precision errors. So finally, we switched to a hybrid solution combining CNC, sheet metal, and 3D printing together. However, again, new challenge appeared. Almost none of any factory was willing to take on a project like this. A single sheet metal part could cost nearly $80. The cost was far beyond our expectations. But fortunately, we see strong supply chain capability. We finally found manufacturing partners who truly support open source. So we managed to bring the cost of a full structure set down to around $140. So far, although we still need power supplies, cables, bearings, and many other components, the major cost drivers were finally under control. Through repeated cycles of design, prototype, assemble, and refinement, the first version of the arm gradually took shape. With support from our company and R&D teams, now reBot Dev Arm is finally in prototyping. Next, we'll continue testing performance, stability, and precision, and also keep improving electrical safety and electronic fencing features, ensuring everyone can use it safely with confidence. Nowadays, what really matters. So today, we officially announced the open source roadmap. In January 2026, the GitHub repository will go live. By the end of February, all BOM lists and structural files will be open source for free, along with detailed assembled tutorials. And by the end of March, the entire software stack will be open source, including Lerobot, ROS2, SXing, as well as kinematics and gravity compensation features, from hardware to software to full learning tutorials. Everything will be completely open source and free, with no hidden costs whatsoever. So here, we sincerely ask for your support. Hit the star light once the GitHub repo goes live, please, and help bring more developers into the project. We firmly believe that The power of open source lies in sharing and co-creation. Only with low-cost technology reach to more people. That's the way to enable more innovation coming up. The goal of this project is to break down the industry's high-cost barriers so that every developer with a dream can access a high-precision robotic arm. In the future, we'll continue to uphold open source principles, sharing more low-cost technologies and projects. So at the last, may the joy and enthusiasm of open source exploration continue to light the way for innovation in body AI.